Hello, I'm Design Guy. Ready to learn how to make your images grow or shrink smoothly in Canva? Click Create, then choose Videos from the options. For this tutorial, select the Landscape Video format to proceed. Click on the Elements tab. In the search bar, type Walking to find a walking man image. Browse through the results to locate an animated GIF of a walking man. Select the GIF to add it to your project. To check if your animation is working, go to your animation timeline. Press the play button to preview your animation sequence. Watch the objects in your project area to see if they move or change as expected. If you see motion or transitions happening, that means your animation is active. If nothing happens, review your timeline to make sure you have keyframes inserted. Adjust your settings if needed, then play the animation again to confirm it's functioning. This is the 3D tab. Click on it to see if there are any available animations. Browse through the options to check for different effects or motion available for 3D objects. Next, click on the Graphics tab. Here, you will notice that there are a few graphics options provided. Explore these choices to see what types of graphics or visual enhancements you can add to your project. Use these features to make your content more engaging and visually appealing with animations or graphics. For this tutorial, we'll start by selecting the animation displayed on the screen. Locate the animation you want to work with and click to highlight it. This will ensure that all the adjustments you make apply to this specific animation. If you have multiple animations, make sure you select the correct one from your list before moving on. Once it's selected, we'll be ready to proceed with editing, tweaking timing, or applying additional effects as needed throughout the tutorial. First, add a background to your project. Go to the Background section and select a background of your choice. Set this as your starting background so it appears behind all other elements. Next, import the image you want to use by clicking the Upload button or dragging the image file into the workspace. Position the image onto your background. Adjust the size and placement as needed to fit your design. Confirm that your image is layered properly so the background appears behind it at all times. Bring down the menu and click Duplicate this page or background. Next, select the image or element you want to copy. Right-click on the element, then choose Copy. Click on the duplicated page or background to make it active. Right-click again and select Paste to place the copied element onto the new page. Move the element to your desired location on the page, typically on one side. Once positioned, click and drag the corners or edges of the element to increase its size as needed. Adjust until you achieve the look you want. Next, select the transition labeled Machine Mode from the list. Drag it onto the timeline between your clips. Adjust the duration by dragging the edge of the transition to make it slower. Preview the result to ensure the speed meets your preference. Click the play button to preview your animation. You should now see the animation on your screen. Observe how the motion appears. Notice that it looks like the character has started to move. This confirms the animation is working as expected. Continue refining as needed for smoother results. To finalize your video in Canva, click the Share button in the top right corner. Select Download from the drop-down menu. In the File Type section, choose your preferred format. Before downloading, set the quality to the highest available for the best results. Once you've adjusted these settings, click Download to save your high-quality video. You just learned how to animate image sizes for cartoon effects in Canva. Like and subscribe for more easy design tips.